Welcome to the CDOCS Tip of the Day. Today I want to continue our conversation on the patient education videos that's a part of some of your memberships with CDOCS. The patient education video, we've got hundreds of videos that can be used to educate patients as to the treatment that you're recommending to them. Now, one of the features that's in there is the history tab. So let's say I have a patient that needs a procedure, an inlay, for example. I can show them and share with them that video chairside, explain to them what an inlay is. And then when the patient goes home, I can take that and I can share that video at home so that they can review that video and come up with, if they have any questions, and get those questions answered by you. Now, let's say a couple weeks go by and the patient hasn't scheduled. You can now go in and audit all of the videos that you've shared with your patients. So let's say you have 10 patients that you've sent out treatment recommendations to, and 10 patients you've shared videos to. If in going through that list, if those patients haven't watched those videos, then you know that you're not quite getting across to them as to the importance of the treatment that they need. If you have patients that have watched the link that you've sent them, that indicates that that patient is probably a more motivated patient and more likely to schedule, so your staff can delegate their time appropriately when following up with these patients. So this is a great tool to have in your tool belt to use for patient communication and education and for case acceptance. Any more questions on this, contact info@cdocs.com and one of the team members can help you, give you a tour of this great feature of your benefit for membership.